Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Today we're taking a closer look at the DDM Tuning 2.5 Biled projectors, the ultimate choice for those seeking top-notch performance and reliability on the road. One of the standout benefits of these projectors is their simplified installation process. With fewer components required, installing DDM Biled projectors is a breeze compared to the complex wiring harnesses associated with HID projectors. Say goodbye to tedious installations and hello to hassle-free upgrades that get you on the road in no time. And the best part? You can say goodbye to bulb replacements and ballast failures on the side of the road. DDM Biled projectors are built to last, featuring a completely sealed unit that eliminates the need for bulb changes. This means you can focus on enjoying your driving experience without worrying about sudden lighting failures. In the performance department, DDM Biled projectors have truly surpassed HID projectors. With advancements in Biled technology, the light output of our projectors is on par, if not superior, to HID projectors. And when it comes to installation, DDM Tuning goes above and beyond to provide a non-destructive solution. Our 2.5 Biled projectors are meticulously designed with a threaded shaft, allowing them to be seamlessly bolted onto most applications without the need for cutting or damaging your factory reflector headlight housing. So, why choose DDM Biled projectors over HID projectors? Well, DDM Biled projectors offer a superior balance of performance, reliability, and ease of installation. Upgrade your lighting game and unleash the true potential of your vehicle with DDM Biled projectors. Join the ranks of automotive enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best in performance and reliability. Trust DDM Tuning to illuminate your path with unrivaled clarity and style. If you're ready to take your lighting to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the DDM 2.5 Biled projectors. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive upgrades and reviews. Thanks for watching.